go ahead, click on this part that says special effects, edit. Click on that part, then you have to right click here and go ahead and just delete. Yo, what's up guys, Clinton here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually be able to blur a part of your video or a part of your picture or your image within your video edit or your project. All right, without wasting much time, let's go into this one. The first thing you will need to do actually is to go over to your CapCut. You can check out my previous video where I made a I show you guys how you can be able to download your CapCut on your PC. So once you've actually done that, I'll be keeping a link in the description or just at the left corner or right corner of this video. Just look at the top, you will see where it's gonna pop up. All right. Once you've done that, go ahead, launch your CapCut app on your system. All right. Once you've downloaded your CapCut for your PC, launch the application, launch the software immediately. And for this, I'm gonna be making use of one of my previous project that I'm still working on. I'm gonna click on that right now, so it loads up, and you can see actually from here, this is actually it's an automatic generated subtitle or caption. You can actually check out the video in the description on how you can be able to achieve this kind of caption in your video. All right, let's go into what we're here for. So what you need to do now is to actually go over to here that says menu, click on it, go over to here that says more. Once you're there, click on go over to version and make sure that you are going to make sure your software actually is updated. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and install that update so that you can actually get the new interface of your CapCut. Okay, without wasting much time, this is going to download and it's going to tell us it's going to show us upgrading, and it's going to take us through the process. It's going to take us through the process of actually restarting this CapCut because of the new updates. Okay, so after the whole upgrade, it's going to ask you to restart. Go ahead, restart that program. Okay, so from here right now, okay, go to CapCut. Oh, this is a project. Open that up. All right, so the first thing you need to do, go over to the portion of the video that you want to actually add the blur effects. For instance, we want to add it to, okay, I'm just going to make use of this portion of the video, this part here, where I'm talking about how to turn on your mic for your screen record. All right, click on that. I'll click on copy. I'm gonna click on copy, and then I'm gonna drag my I'm gonna drag this line here and Control V. I'm gonna paste it here and then drag it directly on top to create an overlay. Okay, yeah, that's it. So once I've created an overlay, I'm gonna be adding the blur effect on the overlay because this is like a duplicate. Okay, so I'm going to actually just go over to here that says effect and click on video effect. There's a drop down menu here. Go over to lenses and come over to here that says blur. Drag on this blur and put it into this overlay. Don't put it on top here like this. You need to drop it inside the overlay like this. When you drop it, you see this blue line.
Okay guys, if you are actually enjoying this video up to this point or it's actually helpful, go ahead, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you could support me.
Okay, so after you've dragged and dropped the blur effect over the overlay, and you can actually come over here and adjust the blur effect. These are things you can do. You adjust it. Okay, that's one thing you could do. Come over here that says effect blur editing, just this small part of the video here. Click on that and they will show you this interface here. Click on max, and from here you can choose either, like, you can choose any of these maxing effects you want to use. You can actually my favorite right here is the rectangle, because I can actually like transform the shape however I want. you know. So from here right now, I can actually, like, rotate this stuff like this. I can actually transform it. I can move it around. I can actually transform it. I can actually make the edges rounded by using these parts, or going over to this place that says rounded corners. Okay, I can put on a feather. So this is basically everything you need to know about the blurring effect using your CapCut on your PC. All right, so this is how to actually put the blur, and I'm gonna show you guys one very important step here, how you can be able to delete the blur effect if you actually made a mistake, or you don't want that blur to be there actually. Okay, all you need to do is just go ahead, click on this part that says special effects, edit. Click on that part, then you have to right click here and go ahead and just delete. So right now the blur effect is totally deleted out of this clip, you know. Okay guys, so this is basically everything you need to know here.
All right. If you find this video helpful, go ahead, drop a like, and subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can support me. Okay. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.